Hello, landlords, NRIs, and property managers. Managing one home is straightforward, but overseeing multiple rental properties across cities brings a new level of complexity, especially when it comes to maintenance costs. The more properties you own, the higher the risk of losing control over routine and emergency expenses. From fixing plumbing leaks in Bengaluru to managing pest control in Mumbai, or addressing electrical issues in Hyderabad, unplanned maintenance can quickly snowball into a financial burden. In this video, we'll explore smart, effective strategies to reduce and manage property maintenance costs without compromising quality. These practical solutions are tailored for those juggling multiple properties, helping you stay organized, avoid unnecessary expenses, and keep your rental assets in excellent condition. 1. Consolidate maintenance data for full visibility. The first step towards effective cost control is centralizing your property maintenance records. Many landlords rely on memory or informal chats over WhatsApp with service providers, leading to disorganization, duplicated services, or missed warranty claims. Avoid these pitfalls by using a digital property management system. Even a shared Google Sheet can work well. Log all maintenance requests, service dates, vendor details, costs, and outcomes. This helps you analyze recurring issues, flag inefficiencies, and identify where expenses can be optimized across properties. 2. Establish preventive maintenance routines. If you're only responding when something breaks, you're likely spending more than necessary. Preventive maintenance, like biannual AC servicing, plumbing inspections, or pest control, helps reduce emergency situations. Indian property owners often ignore this thinking it saves money, but scheduled care actually prevents bigger breakdowns that are more expensive to fix. Just one emergency per year per property can add up to locks and avoidable costs. With multiple homes under your belt, a preventive maintenance plan is not optional. It's essential. 3. Leverage bulk service contracts. Owning several properties gives you negotiation power, so use it. Instead of hiring individual contractors for each site, strike a bulk deal with a single provider for all locations. This applies to pest control, electrical checks, painting, or plumbing. Service providers are more likely to offer discounted rates when guaranteed repeat business. NRI should ensure their property managers negotiate long-term service agreements with clearly defined service level agreements, SLAs, that ensure consistent quality and fair pricing. 4. Prioritize repairs based on urgency. Not every maintenance issue is urgent. Categorizing requests into critical, moderate, and non-urgent helps avoid unnecessary spending. Urgent tasks, like water leaks or power failures, need immediate action, but cosmetic cracks or loose fittings can wait or be handled in batches. By aligning repair work to urgency, you minimize premium charges for night or emergency service calls. This structured approach ensures smarter allocation of your maintenance budget. 5. Standardized fixtures to cut replacement costs. Managing multiple homes becomes more cost-efficient when your fixtures and appliances are consistent. Choose standard models for geysers, taps, switches, and fans across all properties. This simplifies repairs, allows you to buy spare parts in bulk, and reduces the learning curve for technicians. It also saves time and ensures your maintenance team is equipped to resolve issues quickly, lowering labor hours and repeat visits. 6. Build a strong, trusted vendor network. Running around for a new technician every time something breaks is not just stressful, it's expensive. Invest in building a vetted list of reliable vendors segmented by service type and city. When vendors know your properties and expectations, they work more efficiently. Offering them consistent work encourages better pricing and service. NRI should instruct their property managers to avoid one-time hires from unknown marketplaces and instead focus on relationship-based vendor sourcing. 7. Allocate budgets per property with contingency buffers. Instead of having one consolidated budget, assign a separate maintenance allowance to each property based on its age, condition, and location. Include a contingency buffer for unplanned issues. An older flat in Bengaluru may need more frequent electrical repairs than a newer unit in Pune. This method lets you forecast accurately, track overruns, and reallocate funds where needed without surprises. Smart budgeting means fewer emergencies and no nasty cost shocks. 8. Address tenant damages systematically. Tenant-related wear and tear, broken fittings, scratch tiles, or damaged doors can silently erode your profits if left unchecked. It's not enough to just collect a security deposit. Ensure you document property conditions with photos during move-ins and move-outs. Conduct walkthrough inspections and maintain records. This not only reduces disputes, but also helps recover repair costs fairly. Over time, this approach saves locks and cumulative, unnoticed damage expenses across properties. 9. Embrace technology for remote oversight. Smart home technology isn't just for luxury apartments. It's a valuable tool for maintenance control. Install basic smart devices like water leak detectors, door sensors, or motion alarms. These can send instant alerts to your phone, helping you fix issues before tenants even notice. Remote cameras in common areas or rooftops help spot problems like water seepage or security breaches early. These affordable tools reduce response times and prevent damage escalation. 10. Maximize maintenance during vacancies. The best time to carry out thorough maintenance is when the property is vacant. Take this opportunity to check wiring, repaint walls, clean tanks, and service appliances. With no tenant disturbances, vendors can work faster, reducing labor hours and total costs. Planned maintenance during turnovers prevents tenant dissatisfaction, lowers the risk of mid-lease issues, and preserves the overall value of your rental assets. Bonus tip: focus on value, not just cost. Avoid the temptation to go for the cheapest option every time. Ask yourself, will a low-cost part or service survive long-term use? Often, a more expensive but better quality solution saves money over time. Invest strategically where it matters, like durable fittings or long-term waterproofing, to reduce repetitive expenses and enhance your property's lifespan. The goal is to eliminate waste, not value. And that wraps up our expert tips to keep your multi-property maintenance costs under control. Whether you're an NRI coordinating from abroad or a local landlord juggling multiple rentals, these strategies will help you save time, money, and stress. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share it with fellow property owners, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights from Sanggo. Got specific questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.